What's up, man? Making a little video real quick. I'm in a new place. The last place, man, was pretty rowdy. Still doing some work. I think I'm done. So I have come to conclusions about P equals NP, continuous computers, uh, tape loop computers. I even have my own set theory. And I have unified field theory, then I call the grand unified field theory. I've discovered kind of a couple of new branches of physics and came up with a theory of everything. So I have a gem on Google Gemini. I'm just say, what is this? There's a lot going on. There's some other people ideas inside the theory of everything. Well, one of those is the Xi field recursive formalism that was handed over to me by a buddy of mine. The other is Susskind projectors, which is kind of the opposite of a black hole. In my computational universe, black holes are the singularities. So when you want the singularity to be near, you actually have to get close to a black hole. This is the Bevan theory of everything explorer. It's got the Holy Spirit pulse. 0 is ground. One of the things says you stand at the console of the universal simulation. Below is your active command dashboard mapping the complete architecture of Turing's cheeseburger stack with liminal cheese. So the new thing for this new generation is liminality, which they're obsessed with liminal space. So I've come up with liminal topology. Turing's hamburger was an idea of just stacking a whole bunch of different mathematical models together. I ended up throwing some liminal cheese on it, which is a way to just keep those models like communicating with each other in hopes of eliminating quantum foam. So the universal runtime dashboard was cool about this. I don't know if you're familiar with my other work, but someone gonna come see what I'm doing. This actually runs as Unix. Sometimes I bring in Perl, not Linux plus Python. What's up, man? It says choose your Explorer vector simulation. So it does not only boot as Unix, but there are simulations of machines as well as emulations of other kind of like weird computational models. There's a kernel called bkern named after me. We can run commands, kind of map stuff out. We can initialize space, cosmological dive into something called the Zimzum fractionation, and use learning tasks with simulated peeling is something I came up with. Like when you have a learning task, instead of going on a whole bunch of like data, you can do it algorithmically by kind of modeling the learning task as peeling like an onion or an orange and feeding it to your automaton.